The stock market crash in 2022 was caused by a combination of several factors. This included the Federal Reserve that began to raise interest rates in the middle of 2022, which made it more expensive for individuals and companies to borrow money. This increased cost of borrowing led to a slowdown in economic activity and reduced customer confidence, which in turn affected the stock market. There was growing concern about the global economy, particularly in relation to the possibility of this high inflation. The global economy was recovering from the pandemic, and there was fear that the increased demand for goods and services would result in higher prices, which could erode the purchasing power of consumers. The global economy was still recovering from the impact of COVID-19, and there was uncertainty about the pace and sustainability of the recovery. Political and geopolitical tensions have also played a part in the stock market crash, as investors are concerned about the potential for increased conflict and instability. This includes the Ukraine and Russia war, and also the rising conflict with China. All of these factors combined create a sense of uncertainty and fear among investors, and this has led to a rapid decline in the value of shares and a significant financial crash in the stock market. So during a recession, it is important to consider a diversified investment strategy that balances risk and reward. There are a few investments that are considered to be good during times of recession. You can invest into treasury bonds that are issued by the government, and they are considered to be quite safe, and they're also backed by the full faith and the credit of our financial system, and they tend to do quite well during a recession. Another investment strategy you can look to is dividend aristocrats, dividend stocks like blue chip companies in industries such as utilities, consumer goods, healthcare. They can provide a steady income and can weather economic downturns better than growth stocks. Some of these stocks include Johnson & Johnson and the McDonald's Corporation, just as examples that pay strong dividends. REITs, companies that own real estate properties such as office, apartment centers, and shopping centers. During a recession, the demand for rental properties tends to increase as people become more cautious with their spending, and this can provide a stable income for investors. Another good investment strategy for a recession is gold. Gold has a long history, and it's considered to be a safe asset, and it's also used as a hedge against inflation, which we currently have when the economy is struggling. The demand for gold tends to increase, which can drive up its price. The last strategy that I would recommend would be investing into something like Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum. They can be considered as potential investments during recession, as they provide returns in a highly volatile market. However, it is important to understand that cryptocurrencies are currently highly speculative and can carry a degree of risk. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked the video, and please like and subscribe.